We are now entering into the end times of the Michael McCormick and Sons Gallery of Taos, New Mexico, the oldest in the state. We currently have for sale numerous Miguel Martinez, which are consigned on his behalf, which are always beautiful and a timeless treasure to own and behold. And the gallery owns outright many other fine pieces of art, investment art. We have these Bill Bakers right here, which are also consigned. Joseph Sparks consigned. Tavlos, which is an iconic motif, if you will, of Santa Fe in New Mexico. I believe the gallery owns these outright. Anything owned outright, the gallery needs to dispense of fairly soon. Quite beautiful, vibrant colors. Frank Howell bronze. I forget who did that bronze. It's a Doug Hyde, that's it. Pretty much everything is theoretically for sale. These Jose Luis Canencia, these are owned outright by the gallery. We are hoping to offload those to a buyer. Joseph Sparks, a personal friend of R.C. Gorman and Michael McCormick. These are all very much for sale. And for abstract art, it's really quite beautiful. Vibrant colors and unique and meaningful splatter patterns. Really beautiful stuff on the right wall. Michael Archuleta. We have numerous posters for sale. These plates are by R.C. Gorman, a set of 3 right here. And I forget who did those, but those are great for any Francophile in our midst. We have a couple boxes of these really beautiful, nicely tailored cotton R.C. Gorman t-shirts. And actually I met a woman at the Taos Pueblo recently who claimed to have been the model. Bill Whirl, more Frank Howell. Really beautiful stuff for an adobe wall in Taos or elsewhere. These are all lithographs. And those are all lithos. And I believe we own them outright. A whole bunch of posters, a lot of really neat collectibles. Lee White, I believe this is a fairly famous artist. Really great painting by, what's her name? Angela Diane Rogers of Michael. RC litho series of 70. More Joseph Sparks, again, they were friends. Another R.C. Gorman, an original. These are from an artist from Guatemala, Domingo Roche. Really beautiful stuff. I love this sort of chaotic scene right there. More Bill Baker, the man himself. This is a great, I believe this is by Joseph Sparks. No, this is by Ben Adams, right?
Ben Adams, who was one of RC's best friends and owner of Master Graphics.
Okay, and he made this for RC, I think. More beautiful gold leaf Miguel Martinez pieces. Bill Rain. Jose Luis Canencia. Some Malcolm Furlow posters. Really nice new Bill Baker. I'm not sure. I think he made that in Peru, I believe. Takayama. I believe his name is Mishio Takayama. Japanese. Pretty much everything is zealously, eagerly for sale at this point. Takayama. These were sort of in storage, I think. We have, again, the illustrious Bill Rain room. True master among masters. Arguably, though, not quite at the level of Leonardo da Vinci. Apologies for the frenetic camera work here. Trying to be kind of broad and thorough, even if not totally elegant. And alas, the unforgettable Bill Baker, who's in Peru currently. This one is new, I believe. That one's been here for a while. This is new since I've last been here. I love the negative space here, the blackness. The blackness that is not reflected in the shading of the subject herself. This is new. These ones are consigned, the Bill Bakers, but prices still can be negotiable. That one's new. Oh, an R.C. Gorman here. That is, I think, an original. Hey, Miaone. Dis bonjour. This one is, yeah, this is signed. This is an original. Or no, maybe not. Maybe it is a litho. I see 104 of 200. RCs. This one's incredible. I believe this is Bill's, custom project hot rod in the photo, in the painting. But don't quote me. This one's new. Yep, from November, I think. This one is not for sale. We have a lot of old collectible posters. We have some Rembrandt, what do you call it? Rembrandt woodcuts. These shoes, I believe, were owned by Jose Feliciano and gifted to R.C. Gorman, if I'm not mistaken. The underside of the shoes, one of them says from Jose, the other says from Diego Rivera, although I believe that may have been a joke or something. I wouldn't want to claim that's one shoe gifted by Diego Rivera, husband of Frida Kahlo. But yeah, this is the gallery. Everything needs to go pretty much quite soon. There's a lot of neat collectibles buried in here. Have a good day, folks. Bye. Michael, do you want to say anything to your customers, past and present and future, and the world?
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh. Hi, future, past, and present friends and
felines
and gifts from the gallery. We appreciate your support and everything we have all been through together. Our newsletter right now is about the gallery, the physical location of the gallery closing. Or the business is not closing. We are being removed from our physical location. Since the pandemic, business has gone downhill about 80%. We can no longer afford to support the local economy. without trimming a lot of edges. So we're gonna back up for a while and go mostly online and be communicating with you in that way. We hope that if you have any questions about anything, that you would give us a text message, an email, or a telephone call. And happy trails to you.